great artist who ever lived is a philosopher. My work is great insofar as its philosophy is sound. And if the philosophy is unsound, the work will not endure. And if it didn't have that philosophy, it wouldn't have existed.
No matter how great the design is, if it doesn't sound great, it's going to be a failure. Frank was very clear about this from the beginning. He said, this is a hall for the orchestra, and this is a building for music, and that has to be the first priority. And everything else is of lesser importance. And I thought this was quite a statement from an architect.